Many people dream of becoming successful in the stock market. However, the reality is that there are no guarantees with this type of investment, and it is not for everyone. That's not to say you can't be successful. There are many ways to increase your chances of success. Investment trading is a sizable part of the global economy. It is a process of matching buyers and sellers. In other words, investors buy shares in companies and then sell them for a profit when the share prices increase. It is a tricky process that requires a lot of knowledge and experience to be successful. There are many ways to get in on the game, from trading stocks to trading futures. Today, I'm going to cover some tips that will help you be successful in investment trading. 1. Tips on how to be successful in investment trading. Success in the world of investment trading is not a given. There are no guarantees that an investment trader will be successful. Nevertheless, there are some things that can be done to increase the chances of success. 2. Tips on how to trade stocks. If you want to be successful in investment trading, it's important to learn how to trade stocks. You can make a lot of money in the stock market without the stress of being a day trader. You just need to be patient and have a good strategy. It is important to invest in stocks that you believe in and understand. This will allow you to have a piece of the company and make a profit. It is also important to understand the basics of investing. If you don't understand the basics, you will not know what you are doing and will end up losing a lot of money.
It is also important to learn the difference between a stock and an option. It is also important to know how to read charts, such as the MACD, short for Moving Average Convergence/Divergence. This will help you understand how stocks are performing and help you decide when to buy and sell. Learning how to trade stocks is a lot of work, but it can be very rewarding. 3. Tips on how to trade futures. When you're thinking about investing in futures, it's important to remember that you're taking a risk. You're going to be betting on the price of a commodity in the future, and the price could go either way.
The more you know about the market, the more likely you will be to make a profitable investment. If you don't have a lot of knowledge about the market, it might be a good idea to find a trading advisor. This person will be able to help you navigate the market, give you advice, and help you decide when to buy and sell. 4. Know your strategy. Investment trading is a huge business, with a lot of people trying to find success. However, it is not an easy business. You must know your strategy and stick to it. Furthermore, you must be willing to take risks. There are a lot of people who are afraid of risk and don't want to take a chance. However, you must learn to be comfortable with risk and not be afraid. You must also know your limits. It is important to set your limits and never stray from them. You must also be prepared for the unknown and know what you are getting into before you start. It is also important to learn how to manage your emotions. If you are not able to handle your emotions, you will not be successful in this business. You must also be extremely patient. This is a business where you will have to wait a long time for your return. You must also be willing to put in the hard work. You should also be willing to learn from other people and not be afraid to ask for help. 5. Know your market. Successful investment trading is a difficult task for many people. To be successful, you must know your market. There are a lot of people who are actually successful in investment trading. There are just a few simple steps that you must take to reach your goal. First, you must know your market. You should know the market trends, the basic indicators, the market players, and the risks involved. Next, you must have the right mindset. You should always have a positive attitude when trading. You should know that the markets are always moving and that you will eventually be successful. Third, you must have the right strategy. You should always have a plan and stick to it. You should have a strategy that works for you and be willing to change it if you need to. Fourth, you must have the right support team. You must have a team that will help you along the way. You must have a team that is willing to listen to your requests, provide you with valuable feedback, and will be there for you when you need them. In the end, you must always be willing to learn and be willing to adapt to changes in the market. You want to know where you stand in the market and how you compare to others. This will help you to make smarter and more informed decisions. You should also know how much you should invest in the market, how much you should invest, and how much you should trade. You should also try to find a broker that you feel comfortable with. 7. Know your strengths and weaknesses. There are thousands of people who make a living by trading stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. These people are known as professional investors. But the truth is that not everyone is cut out to be a professional investor. There are people who can make a living by trading stocks, but they are not always successful. So how do you know if you are cut out to be a successful investor? It is important to know your strengths and weaknesses. When you know your strengths and weaknesses, you can start to develop a plan to make it a success. You will also be better able to calculate the risks involved in trading and decide if you want to take the risk. 8. Conclusion. Investment trading is a popular method of making money. However, some people may not be successful in this type of trading. The following tips will help you to be successful in investment trading. 1. Invest in a trading software. 2. Read about the market. 3. Have a plan. 4. Trade often. 5. Take your time. 6. Practice and learn from mistakes. 7. Stay focused. 8. Know your trading style. 9. Be patient. 10. Be realistic.